wakoma eda ora Alan Kojochematen eso pa na wo no mu anisrade hu ne anidaso so wo madi no hu ya pa yie se ne watwe ne hu free MPP amanyokuo no mu na wo hu ne se wadi wo mu hwamo yie fi se ba bia no wo ko akono na nya mateme ho de ne mom so mbedi nkunim wo party ne mu Adom Kasee etwaso
Aneswafo no hwedwade ni mfididwuma so Alan Kojochematen enipa benum a wo kyerese wo bontoa amano e wati fidumantemu ya wo frɛ wo ho loyal supporters nsɛmtwerɛfo nhyiamu wɔ Tamale na nipa wo gyina ku na nemu kasa ye Chabel Moses Moy okiremu a wadi opanyini ho ya pa esanse wadi wo mohwamo wabra wo twe ne ho efri NPP amanyokuo ne mu okiremu sɛ wanya akokoduro engina de yebɛkɔso bia ano de ema ne ye wo mo yakora ne sɛ mfie dunsu nie ɛna wo mo adi na chia ehwese nkobenya akokoduro edi apre mampanyini dibre ewo NPP amanyokuo ne mu eneyi otwe ne ho efri ho enkyiremu sei ene wode etudwa.
We, as concerned former supporters of Alan Kojochematen presidential candidacy within the MPP, are here today to express our profound disappointment in Mr. Chematen for what we consider as significant betrayal. We, as concerned, first and foremost, we are individuals who have steadfastly believed in Alan's leadership within the party. I underscore this, within our party, for an extended period of 17 years to be exact. We have diligently worked alongside with him, supporting his campaigns and believing in his potential to lead the new patriotic party.
Dia wodi Alan echi ene se wo gidi yeso betimi adi NPP amanyokuo nanim pa ne ya watwe ne ho afre mu die ohun die ntie wo se di ne movement for change awodi aba no echi biem.
We didn't go out to support him individually as a person, but we supported him because he's a member of the credible member of the party, and we thought he could change the fortunes of the party in his leadership. That was why we went to support him. We will not betray our party for any individual, not even the President of the Republic. We remain NPP, champion the cause of NPP. We shall die for NPP, and we shall make sure that NPP succeeds